How to delete a Gmail account on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Gmail account on mobile. To start, open your Gmail application in your mobile device. Then tap on profile icon on your top right. Here, tap on Google account. Now tap on data and privacy as you can see on your screen. Scroll down until you get the option of delete your Google account. Wait for it to load. From here, you can delete your account. All this content will be deleted. Here, you need to agree with terms and conditions. After that, tap on delete account. This is how you can delete your Gmail account on mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.